Pensacola Beach. We're gonna go see what trash is left on the beach from the Blue Angel show, and also use the metal detector and see if we can find some treasures. Our first item of the day as far as trash goes is a water bottle. Got the metal detector going over here. So I will show you that if we find anything, and I'm just going to keep picking up trash along the way. Our first find of the day with the metal detector is a rusty nail. Some suntan spray. It's a beautiful rainbow out here on Pensacola Beach this morning. The sun is shining. It is absolutely beautiful out today. This little guy. Finding lots of straws this morning. Lots of chairs and tents left behind too. Sand toys. More sand toys. Another metal detector find. I guess Fox 10 News was handing out these little foam airplanes that you put together. And someone left theirs behind. Lots of water bottles, unused, going in the garbage. Here's what we've collected so far, and we've only been here about 10 or 15 minutes. More straws. I know it's just a small step, but one bag of garbage off the beach. Yeah, and it would just be there. Found some goggles. This Tommy Bahama chair has seen better days. You know how you're driving down the street and you see one shoe on the side of the road and you wonder what happened to the other shoe? So there's one. There's one right there. Look how close this bottle is to going into the water. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. So many tent frames out here today. Have people metal detecting in the water. There's probably at least 10 people in our area, this small area we're in, that are metal detecting this morning. So I think the plan as of now, we're on the Gulf side, is to pick up some more trash at least another bag full, and then head over to the sound side and use our metal detector over there and see if we can find anything. I think what's so frustrating about trash on the beach is look at the garbage cans. There's 1, 2, 3, there's 4, there's 5, there's 6. I mean, I'm just standing in one area and there's 7 garbage cans just, you know, spaced a couple of feet apart for you to put garbage in or stack your garbage beside it if they're full. I just don't understand why people want to leave it on the beach. I thought that was blood for a second, but it's some kind of red icy drink. Piece of jewelry. It's broken. Okay, so our second bag is about full. I'm gonna pick up just a couple more pieces of trash on this side and then head over to the sound side and see what our metal detector will pick up over there. There's a cowgirl in the world running around without her hat. Or a cowboy, not sure. And there's the one shoe again. This time I don't see the other one. Yeah. There's Alvin's Island, Ron John Surf Shop. I'm about to go over the boardwalk to the sound side. And there is the Quiet Water Beach seashell that people like to take a photo in. Somebody had an interesting night. Another one shoe mystery. So if you're visiting Pensacola Beach and you're bringing small children or children that can't swim, the sound side is always a great place. You can get something to eat out here. There's a playground, and then the water they can play in, lots of chairs to sit in. Definitely the most interesting thing we have ever found on the beach. I guess someone decided to rip up a $100 bill. Had a little bit too much to drink apparently. Just look at this crap show right here. This is a family YouTube channel, so look at this. This is awful. And the dang garbage can's right there. I mean, how lazy can you be? Pretty bad. Guess we're gonna go ahead and start picking up some of this trash over here. They are out already cleaning up, but there's a lot of trash. Look at all that down there. It's so bad. I found some floats. Nothing wrong with them. I'm just gonna toss them over here in the playground section. Maybe some kids can use them today to play with. These are everywhere. I got crab trapped on Pensacola Beach. It's another shoe. I cannot tell you how many times today I have found one shoe. What is going on in your life that you only have one shoe?